Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to download Behance Portfolio's PDF. So in order to do that, you need to head over to Lasso.inc and then get right here your URL for Behance. Take note that this is actually just a tutorial, and then let's just put right here your username for Behance. So here it is right here. Click on this generate option, and then it will prompt you to log into your account. So once you have logged into your account right here on the lasso.inc, you can head over and then download it. It will ask you what you want to convert. So let's choose in here a profile. And then from there, just wait for this and then put in here the username, click on confirm right here. And then from there, just wait for this, click on next, and then you can choose light mode or dark mode. So I'll just choose dark mode right here and click on next, and then click on generate preview right here, and then this will fetch your Behance data in order to get the PDF that they want for you. So since your PDF preview is ready, you can click on this download PDF right here in order to download it. So that's how you download Behance Portfolio as PDF. Hope we helped.